You mustn't let him through. He'll kill us all.
That second boss, that sucks. Diamond? Oh, yeah, Diamond.
Second boss, like that.
Yeah, way too many ads. I picked up. No, by the time you get to when the 4 come out, it gets difficult because you don't quite finish the last one and the rest of the 4 come out.
They're not timed, just after 100.
They are, well, they're sort of timed. We had 3 finished and had a 4th one. Move your cuts.
I'm a scat man. I'm a scat man.
He's dead. Let's get Melton up. I'll get Melton up. Where'd you die, Melton? Can't find you.
I'm just outside the door. I tried to run out here and bandage, but died.